Hello, everyone. I hope you all are living a wonderful life in the arms of Mother Nature. Imagine yourself living the same life after 500 years. I'm sure that's hard to imagine. Now, let me tell you a story. A long, long time ago, our planet Earth was formed with mountains, trees, water bodies, animals, and other living creatures on it. Then at one point, man came into existence who was well nurtured by the Mother Earth. But gradually, he started destroying every resource around him in the name of development. And then,
put to rest what you thought of me while I clean this slate with the hands of uncertainty. So let mercy come and wash away what I've done. I'll face myself to cross out what I've become, erase myself and let go of what I've done. I start again, and whatever pain may come, today this ends. I'm forgiving what I've done. I'll face myself to cross out what I've become.
yes, such would be the end of our planet as well as mankind if we don't take the problem of industrial pollution seriously. So let's pledge together to make Earth a better place to live for our future generation. And here's how we can do it.
Sustainable engineering and sustainable development, because with the development and all the technological activities must be incorrelated with the environmentalism perspective. So that's something we need to take care of. To be honest, it cannot be eliminated, but it can only be regulated. So it's not just the responsibility of the government to do that. That the government, of course, government has to make some certain laws and regulation to the industries to reduce the level of pollution and carbon dioxide emission and all those kind of stuff. But it's also the responsibility of the consumer as well as the producer.
According to me, the best way to control an industrial pollution would be by reducing the working hours of the company. For example, if a chemical industry works for 10 hours a day, so the government should reduce the working hours to maximum 7 hours per day. That would reduce the amount of chemical being released in the water as well as the smoke being released in the air.
Okay, so how to reduce industrial pollution? So the first step is to actually measure your waste. First, you have to see how much waste your industry is causing. So once you know the estimate that how much the industrial waste is, then you can take proper steps to actually reduce it. So how to do that? So for like one method, you can actually think of recycling things, whatever you did not want, or those things in your industry which can be recycled, they should be like given for recycling. Second thing, the waste from your industry can be supplement for other industry, as in the thing that is not useful for you can be useful for some other industry. So you should exchange the waste for.
I think the industry should be placed far away from the city, literally on the outskirts of Mumbai. Living in Mumbai is just like smoking 10 packs of cigarettes a day.
Pollution in India has grown so much in the last few years that now not only the big industries but also the metro cities, small cities, and villages should start adopting smart waste management techniques, and instead of throwing and dumping the garbage here and there, they should start adopting these techniques to have a clean environment and a clean India.
There are two approaches through which industrial pollution can be reduced. First is the reducing consumption of a pollutant product, and second is the treatment of discharge, disposable and waste of a pollutant. Thank you.
The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Instead, let's be the change we want to see around us. After all, what I stand for is what I stand on. Thank you.